Are you ready?
This is a superior double at the Radisson Blu hotel here in Manchester Airport. Just looking into the bedroom first. Look at this. Now this is actually an accessible room. I didn't pre-book an accessible room, but it's just a part of the look, I'm gonna guess. But this is so nice. This is firm but very comfortable. Now they did say this was a runway view, but the problem is we got a big pillar in the way, and we can see some planes, but not as much as I hoped for. So we've got a special livery jet just there. If anyone knows what it is in the comments, please let me know. I think it's the Paw Patrol. Yeah, it's the Sun Express Paw Patrol livery in there. And then just in the background, you can see the Emirates A380. Well, we'll be flying off tomorrow with Jet2 to Rhodes. But this is a nice overview of a room. We've got a little dining room tray here, so you can use it for in meals and all, but I won't be doing that because it's hell of expensive around here. Got a light, we've got a telephone, got these cute little lamps as well. They look nice, but it looks like on the cleanliness side, there are some marks and some scratches lurking around. Got a massive TV and massive workspace as well. Guys, if you also like my fit, by the way, this is the rainbow shirt from Virgin Atlantic. You can buy it on their online boutique. And believe it or not, the emblem for Virgin Atlantic is actually on their A350 aircraft. So you can see the AV geek of myself there. So we got free water, we got a kettle with some coffee. We got some instant coffee from a company I've never heard of. Then down here we've got a safe and a drawer with a Bible, is interesting, and some shoe shine and a sewing kit. We got a little closet there with towels and a wardrobe space and an iron. Then in here we've got the bathroom. Now, like I said, this is an accessible room. I didn't request for this, but I'll get what I'm given. So we got a shower. It looks like it's one of the, I've never seen a shower head like that before. That is so cool. So that's gonna be an interesting shower in the morning with interesting controls. And then just be where the safety web is, we've got some Radisson Blu products. So we've got body wash, shampoo, lotion, conditioner, the shower cap, and a little vanity kit as well. And we've got the standard toilet. And we got the sink with a little shaving port as well, with massive mirrors as well. I've never seen mirrors like this before. And hanging behind here, we've got a hairdryer as well. So it's an interesting room. Just for the one night before we fly off tomorrow. So yeah, and that, ladies and gentlemen, that is the room review and room tour here at the Radisson Blu Manchester Airport.